In this video, we're going to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. So when we convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 8 divided by 6 equals 1 with 2 left over. So we have 1 whole and 2 sixths left over. So 8 sixths is equal to 1 and 2 sixths. So let's have a look at another one. So remember, we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 13 divided by 5 equals 2 with 3 left over. So we have 2 wholes and 3 fifths left over. So 13 fifths is equivalent to 2 and 3 fifths. So let's have a look at another one. So remember, we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 19 divided by 10 equals 1 with a remainder of 9. So we have 1 whole and 9 tenths left over. So 19 tenths is equivalent to 1 and 9 tenths. Now it's your turn. Here is the improper fraction 15 quarters. Can you convert it to a mixed number? Let me know your answers in the comment section.